Some cichlid supermums raise their babies in their mouths. A pheromone designed to stimulate the female, that also travels through water, attracting the wrong attention. A local gang of cuckoo catfish detects the slightest hint of pheromone. They know it means the Batonis are ready to spawn. Laying 100 eggs, each the size of a sesame seed, it's the perfect moment for an ambush. The catfish eat as many eggs as they can, and now they spawn, leaving behind tiny, ticking time bombs. The Batoni mother instinctively collects any eggs. She's not eating them. She has a special ability, using them as mobile nurseries to keep their young safe as they grow. But this Batoni cichlid has been hijacked. Hidden from sight, inside her mouth, her mixed brood begins to hatch. The oblivious Batoni is devoting time to raising the wrong offspring, twice the size. Ravenous baby cuckoo catfish turn on the cichlid young, opening jaws wide enough to swallow their foster siblings. The treacherous catfish babies soon outgrow their nursery. They head off alone, keeping a low profile, until ready to prey on another unsuspecting mother.